Good evening, everyone. We're live. A little later than I had anticipated at 11:41 p.m. Running a little giveaway battle. Just a small thank you to everybody who's taken part in my recent series of battles. Just want to let you guys know that I greatly appreciate it. And here is just a small token of that appreciation. 65 back Royal Guard. He's nice looking. Got a little punch hole munch there, but he's a peach. Otherwise, looking sharp in his red duds. I got 51 people that decided to get involved here. A lot of action. Going to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better. We got an 8. So we're good to battle. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. I'm going to get right down to business. Good luck. Here we go. Scott in the top spot for round 1 with number 23. Mark, round 2. Nick in the top spot for round 3. Michael takes round 4 with number 21. Wolfgang takes round 5. Steven in the top spot for round 6. Mr. Hodge in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, bringing us... It was supposed to drop me to the bottom, but it didn't. To the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner of the Royal Guard is Josh in at number 8. Congrats, Josh. Here's the verification code. Make it official. WWEOFL is our verification code. And Josh in at number 8 is Zvictor. Congrats there. I'm done. At 11:43. Just made it in there before the minute turned, I think. There it is. One last time, there's the results. Thanks again to everybody, guys. I appreciate it. I know I've been throwing a bunch out there. It's nice stuff. So I hope people are happy with it and having fun. And enjoying the victories when they come. So, take care. We'll see you next time. Thanks a bunch. See ya.